Hi everyone, this is Hannah and welcome to another tutorial of dillenium marketing. And today I'm going to show you how can you easily create these type of 3D look or the illuminating effect, glowing effect, or whatever you call it, a neon effect in Adobe Illustrator. Very simple, very easy way to do. So you can just apply it. If you are learning Illustrator, you are a beginner, and if you want to learn the technique, that might be this tutorial can help you out. And to create these type of effects, you can apply these techniques in your creatives where you want to create a very strong call of action in headlines or wherever you want to do. So let's start now. First of all, what I'm going to do, I've already created this document here. It's a new document, and now I'm going to create a background layer here. So I'm simply using this background whitish gray color here, and now I'm simply going to press the Control 2 to lock this layer so it will not distract us. And now I'm writing the similar text that is flux. You can write any text that you want, but I'm just writing the same text here and using the same font, that is the Myriad Pro, which is the default font of Adobe Illustrator, but I'm using the bolder version here. Character spacing, I want to change it to 100, so it's looking like this. After that, I will convert it into the outlines. So here you can check it out. That's how it's looking like this. And now after this, I want to change the color to navy blue. So here I'm going into the navy blue option, and you can see how it's looking like that. Now after that, I will go into the object here, path, and now here I'm choosing the offset path. You can turn on the preview mode so you can look around. I want to create a the inside here within the text. So what I'm going to do, I will use the minus option here. So if you are increasing or decreasing the size, so you can see how it's looking like that. So I will go with the minus 17 here, and I will change it to white, so it will be looking like this. After this, what I'm going to do, I will ungroup it, and now I will individually select these characters here and applying the blend tool here. So for this, you can also press W from your keyboard, otherwise you can choose from the toolbar option. And here I'm simply creating it simply like this, so you can see how it's looking. How cool is this to create a 3D effect of glow or the illuminating effect inside the text. So in the same way, I will do the same thing here like this. I will individually do all these things. In the same way, you can also change the color here. So I will go with the here. Before that, you have to choose the layer, and then you can apply the color settings to that. In the same way, I will apply the same thing here. So you can choose the direction according to your requirements. So I will go with these settings now, and here I want to change it to turquoise, and in the same way I will change it to this one here. And now I'm changing the color to purple, so you can see how it's looking like that. This is very simple, very easy to do. So if you are working on some creatives, then you can apply the simple techniques with just a blend tool, very strong tool of Adobe Illustrator. So you can apply these type of techniques in your creatives. So if you like my tutorial, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Have a very good day. Bye bye.